Hey guys, my website, I have tried everything to make this thing public, but Google couldn't help me. I think it might have something to do with the G Suite, but anyways, I'm just going to walk you through my website because it won't work. So, here is the front page. Detailed overview of the health communication plan. My article on the front page. It just talks about why you should quit smoking, how you should quit smoking, and when you should quit smoking. Sorry, that's my little sister texting me. Then you go to the press release button, and it gives the whole press release that we did in class. And then here is my health communication poster. My infographic. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. And then here is my strategy. This one goes on forever, I feel like. And then here's my mock-ups, which were really cool, by the way. I like that we learned how to do that. I didn't know that you could do that. Here's my podcast embedded. If it will load. Heavens. Okay. And then my video PSA. And my workshop. So anyways, that is everything. I hope I wasn't going too fast, but like I said, you can slow it down or pause it if you need to. Thanks, guys.